Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to tackle the topic about saving energy efficiently. So this will be the last topic for the third quarter for Science 7. For learning competencies, gather information from secondary sources to identify and describe examples of innovative devices that can be used to transform heat energy into electrical energy. For objectives, discuss how the principle of heat transfer is applied to some passive cooling techniques. Explain how some passive cooling techniques help reduce energy consumption. An attic is a space located just beneath the roof of a house, often with limited headroom. Is having an attic a good idea in tropical countries? Its primary purpose is to create a buffer zone between the living spaces of the house and the external environment. While an attic can provide additional storage, ventilation, and insulation, it can become excessively hot in some tropical countries, especially without proper insulation, ventilation, and shading. Some houses are built with well-ventilated roof spaces instead of attics. These spaces contribute to passive cooling by providing a buffer zone between internal and external spaces, particularly in the most difficult area to shade, the roof. Passive cooling is crucial for maintaining or reducing the temperature inside the house without relying on active mechanical systems like air conditioning. This approach focuses on managing heat gain and naturally promoting cooling as a design strategy to minimize high energy consumption. Here are some passive cooling techniques to consider. Number 1, properly orienting and designing the layout of the house can minimize direct exposure to intense sunlight. Number 2, windows and vents can allow for more natural ventilation which take advantage of prevailing winds to encourage natural airflow and dissipate heat. Materials such as stone, concrete, and adobe can absorb and store heat during the day, releasing it slowly at night at lower temperature. Number 4, shading devices such as overhangs and strategically placed vegetation can block direct sunlight and reduce solar heat gain like trees. Using insulation and light-colored, highly reflective roofing materials can prevent excess heat from entering the house. So, high thermal performance windows with low emissivity coatings and multiple panes can reduce the amount of heat that enters the house. Incorporating natural cooling elements like fans, fountains, and vegetation can create cooler microclimates than the surrounding area. When a house is designed in such a way that it is energy efficient, it can consume less energy. Consuming less energy significantly contributes to less greenhouse gas emission, decreasing the effect of global warming and preventing drastic changes in our climate. In addition, saving energy means lower energy bills, improved air quality, conservation of energy resources, and reduced pollution. In other words, saving energy means making an effort to create a better environment, ecosystem, and biodiversity. When all individuals take part in saving energy, it can lead to a more sustainable, resilient, and environmentally responsible global energy landscape that can contribute to a brighter future for both current and future generations. An increased emphasis on energy efficiency encourages research and development of new technologies and solutions, driving innovation in the energy sector. The following are some innovative devices that can be used to transform heat into electrical energy. Thermomagnetic generators convert waste heat into electricity. Researchers from Karlsruhe Institute of Technology and Tohoku University in Japan have improved thermomagnetic generators. These generators can harness waste heat from various processes, which is typically released into the environment unused. Utilizing higher temperatures makes the process of harnessing heat for heating or power generation easier and cost-effective. This advancement opens the door to the development of custom-made thermomagnetic generators that efficiently utilize waste heat, particularly at near-room temperatures. Yan, ito po yung pinaka-design ng thermomagnetic generator. Or by means of heat, the heat can be converted into electricity. For number 2, thermal photovoltaic cells. Antora Energy, the company, has created special cells much better than regular solar cells, producing 100 times more power in similarly sized devices. These cells efficiently convert high-temperature heat into electricity, primarily for thermal energy grid storage applications. At the heart of this innovation is a unique technology called thermophotovoltaics, which utilizes heat to generate power. It operates with a component that reaches high temperatures and another that converts this heat into electricity. While this technology had room for improvement in power generation, Antora Energy has significantly enhanced its efficiency, now boasting a performance of over 40%. This means that they can produce substantial amounts of power in a highly efficient manner. So here are some gadgets for reducing global warming. Around the globe, the sector that consumes the most electricity are households. Thus, it is important that energy-saving steps begin at home. Energy-saving smart gadgets intended for home use are now available in the market. These include kitchen appliances that offer convenience, safety, and energy efficiency. Here are some examples. Number 1, infrared speed oven is a type of oven that uses infrared radiation to rapidly generate heat, allowing faster cooking. It also enables toro and even cooking for food. Number 2, smart oven. It is an oven that can be used for convection baking or cooking, food warming, and air frying. Even if you are not in kitchen, it can be controlled via Wi-Fi connection. And number 3, smart air fryer is like a conventional air fryer that is essentially a countertop convection oven. It can generate and circulate hot air around the food.